Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. So we've got one full day in actual camping out in a rustic campground with this setup. And I want to go over a few things that I think you'd appreciate as far as convenience and usability here with this setup. So let's start with the chair. As you can see, I have it tilted that way right now, and my little countertop is up. What's so fabulous about this chair having, and it could be not this particular chair, it could be anybody's foldable camping chair. It just doesn't matter. It just is a camping chair. Point being, it's a chair that is lightweight, easy to move, and folds up. So I have it in this angle right now. Normally, I have it over here, like so. But because I was changing earlier, I moved it over and was able to access everything under my bed here. So having a camp chair, a movable chair, something that isn't a fixed chair that cannot fold is, to me, priceless. The other thing that I really appreciated about this chair is I actually needed to take a few things out of here. I was just making sure everything was in order. I have it all tied in, as you can see here. And I was able to just collapse the chair up like a camping chair, like you would if you were to put it in the bag that's there. And I just set it right in the corner there. And it gave me all this room right here. So that was a win-win. All right, we're going to go under here now. So this is the camping toilet. It's up. It's ready to go. There's pellets in it. It's clean. So just please everybody understand that I have cleaner right here, and that toilet is spick and span. So don't panic that I have my tissue box in here and I have some extra bags in there because I have the rest of them here. But you run out of these quickly, I find. So I brought lots of bags. But anyhow, I keep the toilet right there. Now, last night when I arrived, I obviously untied all this, but since I'm leaving, I tied it all back up and just secured it in case, you know, I'm going to be on a bumpy road too, so I didn't want this stuff to shake on out of here. So just know that the toilet stays up at all times and it's easy to pull out back and forth. There's a 3-gallon jug of water back there, and that's actually tied in on the other side. We'll get to that in a minute. All right, so here's something nifty. So this is that Hay Trip trunk organizer that I did a review on a while ago, and it didn't work great for my Coleman Comfortsmart cot because my cot was 15 inches high and this was, I don't know, 11 or 12 or 13, but just I had, you know, the floor built up with carpet, so this kept catching on my cot. So I like it. I love it, actually. It just wasn't a good fit for that cot. This one was, but we'll get to that in a minute. Anyhow, it has this front pouch that came with one of those collapsible sidewall foldable coolers, you know, that you could take places, but I didn't find that useful. So I took it out. And what I did is in here are all my toilet essentials. So I've got the bags, 2 different kinds for the toilet. I've got my potty jar. I've got the bag that the toilet goes in. I've got some wipes in there, and you see those bags down there. And my little Miss Potty urinal thingy is in here. So this is perfect. It's completely accessible, and I love the fact that it's contained in one spot. All my toilet essentials are right here, right next to the toilet. How convenient, right? All right. In the back of this thing are my propane tanks, my heater, which I have not used yet, haven't needed to use it yet. I've got, just so everyone knows, I've got a Easy Fire fire extinguisher spray if there would ever be an emergency. I've got that in here. I've got my extra fan here. That's my little bucket for rock hunting back there. Now that bin back there, that bin is my utility bin, and I use that bin for all the things like tent spikes, fire starting things, picnic table holders, picnic table cover. Everything's in that bin. Just things that are kind of miscellaneous. They have snap-on, let's see here. It's not even snapped on. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. Snap-on handles. And I use a bin for that because this bin sometimes stays outside. on the picnic table. So I bring all those miscellaneous things in a bin. It's a small bin, and I keep it on the picnic table. I haven't had to do that so far, but that's why that is in the bin. And they're all small little things, and I don't want them shaking around and making a mess. So there's that. So that is all that's in this bin. All my toilet things, my Mr. Heater buddy guy. I have a speaker down here too, I think, somewhere. Let's see. Here it is. My speaker. So this is just like my utility bin right here as well. My fan and my bucket. Okay, so that's what's in that one. This is my sleeping bag here. And every morning when I'm done, I just put it back in the bag. In here, I have all my toothbrush, my mirror. Now why do I need a mirror? Well, sometimes I gotta do my hair a little bit and put it back in a ponytail or something. So I gotta have a small mirror. I hang it from that hook right there so I can see what the heck I'm doing. Like stuff so my hair doesn't go crazy, and you know, I got the crazy wavy hair. So that's in here, my brush, my cleaner. This is the toilet cleaner or surface cleaner. My utensils, whatever, that's thieves spray, and all the extra bags for the garbage that go right here. And this is all my clothing right here, all my clothes right here. So my vitamins are down here, my shampoo and conditioner are here, and my clothes. Okay, and this is my hygiene bag, and everything is in there. My unmentionables are under here. My hoodies, jeans, shirts are back there. And this blue bag right here is my dirty laundry bag. Okay, so as you can see, I still have a ton of room under here because I'm just not gonna bring things I don't need, and I like it that way. And it's a lot easier to access the things you do need if you don't have a bunch of stuff covering it up. Oh my goodness, it gives me stress. All right, so sleeping bag goes back here. As you can see, those are the window covers, and the windshield one gets wrapped up and just put right here because it's too big to go flat in the wall. And I have it loosely on here with this little thing. I was keeping it in the seat belt, but I felt that it was smushing the cord there. It actually was just smushing the cord, and I did not like that. It was pushing it sideways when I had this over there. So I moved it out a little bit, and I had this little guy here. It's just a little Velcro thing, and it just keeps it in place. This is my hammock. This is where it will stay in the event I want to use it, which I actually can because I have trees right here, so I might hang that up. And pillows. It's my hat, my lights. Okay, so everything is functionable. That's kind of what this video is about, is showing you how easy it is to be functionable if you think about where you want to put your stuff to make it the most accessible and easy for you to use. So my fridge stays here, my jackeries stay there. The little blue Eddie, he goes back on the kitchen when I'm retiring for the evening. I plug in my phone and anything else that needs to be charged. I put it back up there on the kitchen where that water cup is right there. All right, so let's go up here. All right, so in the door, these are all my rock hunting things, my neoprene gloves, booties, and shoes. Depending on where I'm at and what I'm doing, I need those when I go rock hunting. This is my fire starting stuff. It's all accessible. I don't have to go try to find it or look for it. It's just here. It's ready. My gloves right there. That's my tools right there, my little bag of tools, and my shoes. They just stay up here. Now the socks in here, those are the wool socks that I wear when I go in the lake in these boots because it's freezing. And the pellets stay up there. So everything has a home. Everything gets put back where it goes, and that way we have a nice tidy place to reside when we're van camping. So I have a little dust mopper thing. Look here. See all that junk up there? That's from the bonfire. So I have a little thing over there that I clean off my dashboard with. I have that with me anyway, whether I'm camping or not. But I'll clean the dashboard, and my campsite's all cleaned up here because I'm taking off for the day. I'm going to leave my line up, my drying line. I'm going to leave my table cover on, and that's all the bark I collected, the birch bark, and just the little pieces of dried wood from the woods. And I'm going to try to get a couple bundles of wood so I don't have this issue tonight. But anyhow, it's a beautiful day and I'm gonna bug out. I'm going to head west from here to Grand Marais and do some rock hunting and hanging out over there today, and I'll be back here later. But anyhow, I just wanted to show you what I got going on in the van. Let's head back here. So everything's all tied in here. It's around all the jars, the bed, if you can see back there, it's around the bed, comes behind the table here, attaches to the bed through the loop of the handle of the kitchen and tied on right here. So everything's tied in good, and we're safe. This is my food bin, easily accessible. My paper towels. This one hangs up either, you know, behind the driver's seat or right up here on those little things. You see those little white things? Those are those milk tabs. This hangs on here, up there, right there. And water pump. I just put everything away and I'm ready to go. So anyhow, that's it, guys. Just wanted to show you what I got going on in the van and a few changes that I made to make things more accessible for myself. All right, you guys have a fabulous day. I will catch you later. Until next time.